Hi Michael, Spencer from Prime Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Behind me, I'm sure you know what this is, your 2019 G63 AMG. You can see here, beautiful vehicle, really the most unique car I think I've seen here. Brilliant blue, metallic, night styling, gives us this beautiful black brush guard on the front, very aggressive styling, LED headlights coming along the side of the car. You have a beautiful, very sporty cross spoke forged AMG wheels. Those silver brake calipers, something I know we talked about during the build, really accent that brilliant blue metallic beautifully. AMG V8 bi-turbo badging just through every aspect of the car. Just truly amazing. You have your side exhaust there on the bottom, coming around to the rear. Similar LED taillights, AMG and G63 badging on there as well. Now the size is something you'll be familiar with. When we take a look at the interior, this is what's unique about your vehicle. The exclusive Napa leather interior includes some diamond stitching, an exclusive Napa leather. Gray contrast stitching not only matches the chrome on the outside of the vehicle, but also those silver brake calipers as well. And then moving forward to the driver and the passenger seat, again, a beautiful interior. We have our carbon fiber and Dynamica suede steering wheel, so that carbon fiber matches the trim, matches the suede on your headliner, really just ties in all these things together, making it truly a very unique vehicle. Just wanted to give you a little preview before this heads out and goes your way up on the truck. You have my contact info. Reach out if I can do anything for you. My cell is 207-210-4796. My email, sroe, that's S-R-O-E, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.